Hi, this is Mike Bloom with the Studio for Teaching and Learning Innovation, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to share your Panopto folders or files with multiple courses or with just anybody you'd like. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to panopto.wm.edu and you want to browse. So you'll click on Browse here on the left-hand side. And you'll see all folders up top and you'll see My Folders. Sometimes it's easier to click on My Folders. If you know the name of the folder, you can search for the folder, and the folder is probably going to be the name of your course. So if you can locate that folder where your content is, I'll click on Meeting Recordings, and here's all the content I have in this Meeting Recordings folder. So if I want to share this Meeting Recordings folder with multiple people, what I can do is I can click on the share button here. So if you notice, I've got a couple of different options. I can share this individual file, or I can share the entire folder. So if I want to share this individual file, I have this share button right here. If I hover over the individual video, you'll see I have settings, share, edit, stats, and delete. So if I click on share, it's going to give me a couple of different things. First, it's going to tell me who has access. I want to make sure if this doesn't say anyone with the link, I pull down here and I choose anyone with the link. And then all I need to do is up on top here, you'll see I have a link, and this is the link to the individual video. And I can paste that into a Blackboard course site, or I have an embed, so I can actually embed that directly in my course site if I wanted to. But that's a little bit more challenging. So if you just want the link, you can click on that. And then I can copy that, and I'll go to my Blackboard course site, and then I can decide where I want those videos. So if I wanted it in my videos for class folder, I could put it in there. If I need a new folder, if I have my edit mode turned on, I'll click on the plus here, or hover over the plus rather, and I'll add a content area. And I can call this Panopto videos. I'll make that available to users and I'll hit submit. You can call it whatever you like. And now I'm going to just grab it. You notice how I grab it from the side here, from the left-hand side, and I can drag it where I'd like. So if I want it to be up higher, I can do that. And then I can click on it. And now here's my Panopto videos folder, but it's empty. Now I can build my content. And I can add that individual video. So if I build content, I can actually create a web link. And I can call this video 1. And I can just paste the URL in there that I got from the previous page. And that's the easiest way to do it. It may not be the most user-friendly way for the students, but that's the easiest way for you. And I'll click on submit. And now you'll notice that that video is now shared. If I click on video 1, it takes me directly there. So there it is. There are a lot of different ways to do this. If I go back to my Panopto, and let's say I don't want to share an individual video, let's say I wanted to share an entire folder. So I'm back here in my meeting recordings folder. And instead of grabbing that share from the individual video, when I hover over here, if I go up to the right-hand side, the top menu here, I have that same share, but that's going to be sharing the folder. So I'll click on share, and I can do the same thing. And I can grab this link, I'll copy that. And now if I go to my Blackboard site, I'll build content, I'll add a web link. I'll put in the name, and now I'll paste that link from the whole folder in, and then I'll hit submit. And now that's a different link, and if I click on that, it takes me to the entire folder with all the content there.